Hello everyone, my name is Nihal and today I would like to present my idea for Smart India Hackathon 2025. So the problem statement that I have worked on is development of sensor for the detection of microplastics. So I would like to start by providing a brief overview of the problem at hand. So we've all seen images of plastic pollution, but the most dangerous threat is the one that we can't see. I'm talking about microplastics. They are tiny plastic particles that are less than 5 millimeters in size. They are contaminating our oceans, our freshwater systems, and even our drinking water. So you can tell that they have emerged as a global environmental threat that needs immediate attention. While there are pre-existing solutions to tackle this issue, such as spectroscopy and other methods that are accurate, but they're also time-consuming, expensive, and completely laboratory dependent. Hence, it prevents the real-time field-based monitoring that our environmental agencies and local communities need to safeguard our water. For this purpose, I have a different solution in mind that I would like to propose. So, to address the challenges that I just described, I would like to present Aquasentry AI. Aqua. This is a Latin word meaning water, and sentry meaning a guardian that is posted to keep watch. And AI is for the machine learning algorithms that I'm looking to implement. All put together, it means intelligent guardian of water. So basically, Aquasentry AI is a compact, fully automated instrument designed for rapid on site analysis. Our approach is based on a proven and highly resourceful scientific principle known as fluorescence. This process is simple and elegant. First, a water sample is treated with a special dye that binds exclusively to plastic polymers. Next, and our internal laser module that we will add causes any dye coated plastics to fluoresce or glow, basically. Finally, our optical sensor module will detect that specific glow, and our onboard AI analyzes the signal to confirm the presence of microplastics in the sample. This simple process allows us to build a device that is not only effective but also uniquely innovative. You might ask, how exactly is it uniquely innovative? That I will be explaining. Well, firstly, resourceful science. Instead of relying on lab grade equipment, our device relies on the optical system of fluorescence that I just explained. This alone cuts down our costs by over 95%. And secondly, our device is run by an onboard AI system. So basically, I will implement a custom machine learning model on the device's microcontroller so it can intelligently classify samples with high accuracy. Another key feature designed for our device is that the carousel on the top would be 3D printed that can hold up to 3 to 4 sample tubes for testing. Next is this technical approach, which, like briefed, is simple. Insert the samples onto the carousel on the top, and then our sensor will detect the fluorescence, and then our AI model will analyze the signal, and lastly, the result is displayed and classified on the screen, whether it's contaminated or clear, with an accuracy percentage of over 95%. Now I would like to elaborate on the hardware components that we will use for this project. First, we will use a microcontroller such as Arduino Uno or Raspberry Pi. It's basically like a tiny computer that controls a specific set of functions. Next is the laser and sensor modules that help in detecting the particles and transmitting the data. And then we have the colored TFT display that will display the result of the classification. And we will also add an SD card module that will be used for data logging. Moving on to the software components, we will be using Autodesk Fusion 360 for the 3D mechanical design of the physical body. And then we will use KiCad for the electrical design of the custom printed circuit board. And then we will also develop the AI model using Edge Impulse. And we will also be using Arduino IDE for the embedded programming and writing the code. Moving on, I would like to address the feasibility of the project. Our project is highly feasible. This is due to its foundation on proven low cost technology and accessible budget friendly components. Of course, any ambitious project has challenges. we have identified three primary risks, which are number one, ensuring the accuracy of our AI model, number two, managing the component sourcing, and number three is achieving the required mechanical accuracy in our automated system. It is a challenge to obtain maximum precision, but that's what we will be working towards. Talking about the market viability, this is a low cost alternative, so it is bound to be viable. Its target users include university researchers, water municipalities, NGOs, etc. Now, moving forward to the impact and benefits. A project is only truly viable if it creates a meaningful impact. Starting with the environmental benefits. Our device is a game changer. By enabling widespread real time monitoring, it allows for the creation of first ever dynamic pollution maps of India's waterways. This could kickstart effective cleanup methods where they are needed most. Next is economically. By reducing test costs by over 95% compared to traditional lab methods, we will make critical water quality data accessible to smaller municipalities and research institutions. And socially, this directly benefits the public. Our solution can empower the respective authorities by giving them an affordable tool to protect public health and ensure the safety of our drinking water. The core benefits are clear environmentally, economically, and socially. This device is a huge game changer, but the impact goes further. Policy support, giving government agencies the concrete evidence they need to enact stronger environmental regulations. Next is educational value. This can be deployed in university labs for students to engage directly with environmental technology and data collection. Next, technological advancement. By proving that affordable hardware combined with sophisticated on device AI can solve multiple complex scientific challenges, it advances technology. Now, coming to the research and references part, I would like to source all my study material and references for this project. My work is built upon a strong foundation of existing scientific and technical research. First, we've used this highly cited scientific case study to validate our core method of Nile red dye for fluorescence. Next, we have different websites for the building of the project part, such as Edge Impulse for the onboard AI. Then we have the Arduino software, uh, and then we have Autodesk Fusion 360, and lastly, KiCad design software. And lastly, we've also used case studies from WHO and UNEP organizations for the significance of the problem and why it needs solving. So, I would like to conclude this presentation by saying that Aquasentry AI is a well researched, technically feasible, and highly impactful solution to a critical global problem. We are confident in our plan and in our team's ability to bring this vision to life. Thank you for your time and attention.